Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips to make your online life easier. Today, we're diving into how to hide your Facebook Marketplace listing from friends in 2025. With increasing concerns about privacy, this feature is a game changer for keeping your sales discreet. Whether you're selling something personal or just don't want your network to see, we'll walk you through it step by step. It's quicker than you think. First, ensure you're logged into your Facebook account on the app or website. Facebook has updated its interface for 2025, so things might look a bit sleeker, but the process is straightforward. Step 1. Head over to Facebook Marketplace. On mobile, tap the shop icon at the bottom. On desktop, find it in the left sidebar menu. Step 2. Once in Marketplace, go to your active listings. Scroll to the item you want to hide and select it. You'll see an options menu. Look for the 3 dots or an edit button. Step 3. In the editing section, navigate to the privacy or audience settings. This is where Facebook lets you control who sees your listing. In 2025, they've made this even more user-friendly with clear drop-down options. Step 4. Choose the privacy level. Select Only Me or Hidden from Friends to keep it private. If you're on the app, you might need to toggle a switch for Friends visibility. Step 5. Hit save or confirm your changes. That's it. Your listing is now hidden. To double check, try searching for it from a friend's account or review your privacy dashboard. A quick tip. Regularly update your overall Facebook privacy settings to stay secure. Remember, features might vary slightly based on your region or app version, so keep your app updated for the best experience in 2025. There you have it, folks. A simple way to protect your privacy on Facebook Marketplace. If this tutorial helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.